Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to see present perfect tense. So I'll be explaining when to use this tense and what is the sentence structure. So first let us see the basic sentence. That is, in present perfect tense we'll be using the sentence structure subject plus has or have plus V3 form of verb. The third form of verb should be used after this helping verb has or have, and has should be used with singular subject and have should be used with plural subject. Okay, let us start seeing the situation. The first situation is we have to use this present perfect tense to express the recently completed action. So, the action which got completed just now. So, for that, we will be using this present perfect tense. So, see the example here. He has just gone out. I have finished my work. So, to express the recently completed action, we'll be using present perfect tense. Now, see the next point. To express past action whose time is not important or not known. So, to express the past action, instead of using simple past tense, we will be using present perfect tense. When, if you don't want to give importance to the time, or else the time is not known. In that case, instead of using simple past tense, you can better express that past action in present perfect tense. So, see the example here. I have been to London. So instead of telling I went to London, we are using I have been to London, because here we don't wish to mention the time. See, if you want to use simple past tense, you would have mentioned like this: I went to London last year. So the past timing will be mentioned there. So if you don't want to give importance to the timing, or if you are not aware of the timing, you can better use present perfect tense to express that. Now see the remaining two example, that is, someone has eaten my soup. He has read War and Peace. Okay, now let us see the next rule. To denote an action beginning at some time in the past and continuing up to the present moment. So the action started long back in the past and it is continuing till the moment. So see here, we have lived here for 10 years. So it means those people lived there for 10 years and still they are living there. So to express such action, we can use present perfect tense. So the action started long back and it is still continuing. Actually, we will be using present perfect continuous for that, but in these cases, like people lived here or people worked here, for that kind of situations, present perfect and present perfect continuous both can be used. So you can also tell like this: we have been living here for 10 years. So it means those people lived there and they are still living there. So it is acceptable for this kind of situation that both present perfect and present perfect continuous can be used. But anyhow, I will be telling in detail about present perfect continuous in the next video. Okay, let us see the next example. She has been ill since last Saturday. So last Saturday she started suffering from some illness and still she's been ill. So for that cases we can use present perfect. So the action which started long back and still it is continuing. Okay, now let us see the sentence structure. So for positive statement, the structure is subject plus has or have plus V3, and for negative statement, subject plus has or have plus not plus V3, and interrogative, as I told you, helping verb, subject, then the verb, and for WH question, WH word, helping verb, subject, and V3 form of verb. So in perfect sentences, we will be using the verb third form of verb. Okay, we will be using that after this helping verb has or have. Now see the sentence here. I have cleaned my room. So the negative is I haven't cleaned my room, and for yes or no type, have I cleaned my room, and for WH, when have I cleaned my room. The same way using you have cleaned my room, or else you can use here you have cleaned your room. The meaning is correct in both the cases. Now see the next thing. You haven't cleaned my room. Have you cleaned my room? When have you cleaned my room? Now see the next thing. He has cleaned his room. He hasn't cleaned his room. Has he cleaned his room? When has he cleaned his room? They have cleaned their room. They haven't cleaned their room. Have they cleaned their room? When have they cleaned their room? I hope you are clear with this sentence structure. Thank you.